Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 18 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn what are the Muqatta'at letters. What are Muqatta'at letters in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what are the Muqatta'at letters in an Arabic accent and how do we pronounce the Muqatta'at letters in an Arabic accent. What are the Muqatta'at letters in an Arabic accent? Muqatta'at letters are found at the start of some surahs or some chapters of the Holy Quran. Muqatta'at letters are found at the start of some surahs of the Holy Quran. Muqatta'at letters can be found in the beginning of some surah of the Holy Quran. How do we pronounce the Muqatta'at letters in an Arabic accent? Pronounce these letters individually in such a way that the maddat are stretched properly. There are some example of Muqatta'at letters from the Holy Quran. How do we pronounce these Muqatta'at letters? Let's learn. To, Sin, To, Sin, To, Sin. Another example of Muqatta'at letter is how do we pronounce? Let's learn. Ha, Mim, Ha, Mim, Ha, Mim, Ha, Mim, To, Sin, Ha, Mim, To, Sin, Ha, Mim. Thanks for watching. These are the examples of Muqatta'at letters in the Holy Quran. Kindly share this video and like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.